Greetings from the VIP Sunday ritual. Hi, Bacon. But I'm sorry. It's not your day today, Bacon! To be the star! Today the star. Está la fruta. Es a pineapple o fresas. Or you say in America, strawberry. Primero, la sandía or watermelon. Magic knife. Ciao! Just like that. Fruit is your friend. You can have fun with fruit. Son? Hey! Let's try with pineapples now. So let's go. Here we go. Ready? Yeah, right. Fruit acrobatics. Okay, Yanis, we're ready. Let me get ready. Throw it. Now for the real trick. Hold on, I got to get ready. Dame. If you want bacon rain, the bacon gotta be crispy. This is what we call bacon rain.